definite no there.
You fed up with us, Anna?
Do you think you could just?
Yeah.
Do you think you could just flash the lights, the green little lights, or there's some little candles that are up here? Do you think you could just touch one of them?
Nothing.
That means you're not going to do anything.
You point to where you are. No again.
Are you a bit concerned that we're down here? Or do you need a bit of encouragement, just a bit of understanding what we're here for? That we're not here to hurt you, harm you, disrespect you. We're just here to learn about your past, learn about your way of life, and it's all just comes in respect. We know you're busy people down here, and you've been busy probably 12, 13 hours a day, having to work for a small amount of money. A small amount of money, and it probably was hard, and probably your life, just went from week to week before you knew it. But we just want to just try and understand what happened, how, what was the good parts of your life, what bits made you smile and laugh and you enjoyed.
Come on, make a noise. Let's hear you.
What's it, the river or whatever it's called? I think it's, is it really?
Yeah. Think?
There is a water wheel in one of these.
Yeah,
It's not
doesn't
good,
work
is it?
though. Not anymore.
If you could walk down the stairs, or make it just like make the sound of walking down the stairs, you might be able to pick that up on video.
I could hear it rumbling and everyone came.
Can you touch one of us? Or whisper anything?
Stick.
No, not a stick. You could just come and touch us. Or one of us.
I feel like I've got something like this.
Like a spider's web type thing. Ticklish. Is that you touching Christina?
Very quiet.
If you'd like us to move on, okay.
Bottom.
Bottom.
Touch bottom.
No, I'm touching my bottom.
You're going to touch someone's bottom?
Oh, go on then.
Goodness. When we go into the next room, we're gonna try an energy circle. Mandy. Just from what's happened previously.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can recreate
Yeah.
it. And Pan. Recreate the same thing. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but I can commit to mine. But we'll just see. Right, before we move on, are you gonna do anything?